Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. And how are you?
I feel better. What's your job?
I am jobless. And what's your job?
I am clerk. Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
And which college do you read?
I read in GDC Fisher.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computer science.
Do you like your college?
Yes, why not? I like my college.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is volleyball.
Are you good at English?
No, I read English but I can't speak English.
Are you good at cooking?
Yes, I good at cooking.
What subject are you for 8?
I for at physics.
What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is UK.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is apple.
That is my today video. When you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.